What is up, Yam fam? Alright, we got a lot of things going on today, a lot of exciting things. First and foremost, happy Thanksgiving. So I just got my vlogging camera in the mail, pretty exciting. And secondly, I just won a turkey from work, so pretty exciting stuff. Now, I'm not going to say exactly where I work.
That was easy.
But yeah, we were just having a contest this month to see who would sell the most, and you know, that's how I got the turkey. And all this week I have been thinking, what should I do with this turkey? And you know, I thought maybe I'll stuff it with some fireworks and blow it up, or maybe I would try cooking it in some crazy way. And then all of a sudden my friend Jimmy texted me, and you know what, I just put it together. Turkey, Friendsgiving. Yeah, so we're gonna do a Friendsgiving today in about less than 3 hours. So I have less than 3 hours to put together this whole dinner for 6 of us. The twist is though, I'm actually going to take this turkey and I'm gonna microwave it because of the whole viral trend that's going around. You know, ask your mom how long it takes to microwave a turkey. So I'm actually going to microwave this turkey. I have a spare turkey that I'm going to put in the oven, you know, for actual eating, and I'm going to feed my friends this microwave turkey without telling them, and see what they have to say about it. All right, so here we have the 2 turkeys, the one we're going to microwave and then the one we're going to put in the oven, and let's get that ready. So we have about an hour and a half left, and I'm about to throw the first turkey into the oven on this rack. I don't know how I'm gonna pull this off, but yeah. Alright, so here's a full rundown of our sides. We got green beans for our green bean casserole, potatoes for our mash, some bread just as like a side starter, croissants, and we do have some corn. Don't know where that went, but we're gonna make some of that. Right now I'm gonna peel some potatoes, get those on the stove. Yeah, that's my light for my lighting setup, just chilling on the stove right there. We're gonna get the potatoes on the stove so that we can mash those, cook the casserole. For time, I think we have like a little less than an hour and 15. So yeah, we're gonna have to make all these sides in an hour. Damn, look at that. Nice and juicy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright. See how this bad boy's doing. Oh, shoot. Slippery. Oh, look how delicious that looks. That's disgusting. Now we're gonna baste this guy. nice and buttery over here. Mmm. And back in you go. So we're gonna flip the turkey and baste it one more time, and then set it for like another 20 minutes and check on it then. Woo! I don't even know how it's gonna stand. I think we're good. I think we're good. Hell yeah. Alright, so right now we have the green beans steaming right on top of the potatoes. So the potatoes are down here. The green beans are in a perforated bowl and covered that, so it's a 2-in-1 cooking process right there. Okay, what are you making over here?
Some chocolate caramel pudding with Baileys, topped with whipped cream and marshmallows and cocoa powder.
Damn, those look good. Baileys, guys, Baileys. Hell yeah.
What about it being in a bag makes it not delicious? I got an action on the way here, and that ended up on the floor. And if it was in glass, it would have broken.
I think it's just because, like, look at all this residue.
It's just
on
cheese.
the top.
It's cheese.
Can you hold up the bag of mac and cheese,
And you can
please?
touch it.
Hold it proudly.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I know the difference.
Do you?
I know which one's better.
This one's really good. I'm not gonna lie.
Which one? Which plate?
The one I
white
took
plate.
first.
What you took first? The
The
white
white
plate?
plate is really
This
good.
one.
Nice.
I like
It's
the
really
white
good.
plate.
Really juicy.
It's just the
The white plate is better. I think.
The white plate.
I like the second plate more.
So plate more? Okay.
It's juicier.
The white plate tastes like
I didn't
normal
see the color.
turkey.
No,
Wow.
the white plate is easier to eat, but then this
This one is really good.
Yeah, the second plate? Yeah. The dark plate is
They're
hard
both
to eat.
really good. My mom's turkey,
I'm literally dropping food.
The second
Kinda
plate's
sucks.
dry.
honestly.
Damn.
The second plate
It's
is
just dry, yeah.
You better hope that your mom doesn't watch my videos.
Yeah.
Mom,
Dry.
your turkey's better than.
Oh, I need gravy.
Alright, so Jimmy's voted both. Kim's second one, I think.
Right now, I like the first one, but I haven't tried the second one yet.
Alright.
I like the white plate.
Damn, okay.
What was the first one you gave me?
The white plate.
Yeah, the white's better.
White's better?
Napkins.
Okay. Good to know.
Thank you.
This one's a
So-
little fatty.
Turkey.
Alright,
Is
guys.
it chicken?
So, you know that whole viral post, like you send your mom that,
You
like.
cooked it in the
Oh, no, you
microwave.
did not.
Yep.
That's how you pull it out of the
The
microwave.
first plate was cooked in the microwave.
No way.
No, the second
Wait.
plate's better.
No, the white
juicier
one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The white one's way better.
Yeah. Microwave.
So much better.
So I decided to cook it turkey in the microwave.
It's good.
Damn.
Yeah.
It's better.
It's softer
It
than
is good.
It's so juicy.
Is that the second one or the first one?
The first one's the microwave one.
I like the second one more.
Okay, well, you're normal. These guys are freaks. Stop kidding. No, you can't taste the difference. I'm not gonna lie. Like,
But
I think the second one's a little bit more moist.
I like the skin on the first one though.
microwave made
The
it.
oven one
How long?
is way drier than the microwave.
Yeah.
How long
Your
did the
electricity bill
microwave
this
one
month? Here.
Seriously. So yeah, this Thanksgiving, if you haven't already, you should go ahead and throw your turkey in the microwave because apparently it's a lot better. Yeah.
This one.
You
This
should
is
also
the
put your
second
mac
one.
and cheese in
And
a
I
bag.
literally, I don't